Hey there, artist. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to draw Mickey Mouse because today is Mickey Mouse's birthday. He's going to be 95. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with Mickey's nose first, and it's going to be this oval in the middle of my paper. It'll look like this. And right above his nose, it's going to be this arch that kind of runs parallel with his nose. Now we're going to do his eyes. So his eyes are going to be these skinny end shapes, or kind of like these unfinished ovals. So we're going to go 1. And we're going to do another one right next to it. 2. And inside of his eyes, we're going to do these pupils as well. So they're going to be kind of like these, again, like these end shapes or these skinny end shapes. So right now we have his eyes and his nose. So now we're going to do Mickey's mouth. So his mouth is going to be a curved line that kind of runs in the same line as his arch on the top of his nose. So we're going to do a curved line here. And we're going to imagine another one coming out right here. Now I'm going to actually draw a line that goes from this curved line to this curved line. It's going to be a big, wide U shape. Now we're going to do the bottom of his mouth. And again, it's going to be another U shape, but this time a skinnier U shape. Next, we're going to draw his tongue. And that's going to be the inside of his mouth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple arches. So I'm going to go 1. And the other one, I'm going to start right here. 2. And that'll be his tongue. So now we're going to draw the lighter part of Mickey's face. So above his eyes, it's going to be like this, like the McDonald's M arch, right? So we're going to do like a curved line like this. And we're going to do one on the other side because his face is very symmetrical. So next, I'm going to do Mickey's chin. And his chin is actually going to run parallel with the bottom line of his mouth. So I'm going to start it right here, and I'm going to try to end it right here. So it'll be like a wide U shape. So next we're going to do his cheeks, and they're going to be like these C shapes. So we're going to do one here and one here. So now we have Mickey's face and the lighter part of his head. So now here's the easy part. I'm going to do a half circle that goes around Mickey's head. For me, I don't like to do one continuous line because there's a chance that my line could get a little wiggly and not so straight. So I'm going to do part of my half circle first, and then I'm going to continue on by readjusting and going back down. So I'm going to do a half circle, and I'm going to stop. And now I'm going to start back where I ended, and I'm going to continue on that line. Real quick, did you guys know that Mickey Mouse is actually 95 years old today? According to Disney, he first appeared in the animated short Steamboat Willie on November 18th, 1928. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. And feel free to pause the video at any point if you guys need to catch up or if you need to use that as a reference. So now, again, here comes another easy part. We're just going to do 2 circles, one here and one here for his ears. So just like I said earlier, I'm going to draw half of my circle first. And now I'm going to continue on and readjust my hand. And let's try that again. We're going to do a big half circle. Stop, and then I'm going to readjust my hand just to a comfortable position, and I'm going to restart my line. And this is the outline of my Mickey Mouse. So I'm actually going to use this time to color it in with some markers, but feel free to use crayons or color pencils, and pause the video at any point if you need to catch up or use that as a reference. So I'll be right back. And this is my Mickey Mouse. Just remember, guys, that it's important to have fun during the creative process. Don't worry about what anyone else thinks, and you make it your own. Have a good one, everyone.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.